We're at Haystack Rock and you're watching FunForLouis!
Good morning, guys. Hello. My voice. Oh, it's very low. It's just about 9:30. I think we're in Oregon. I slept pretty well. Oh, I was so dead last night. But we've stopped to fuel up. I think JC and one of the other guys have been driving all night. And I'm ready to get some breakfast. It looks like we're in a place called Wolf Creek. Look, Wolf Creek Grill and Deli. Have any of you seen that movie Wolf Creek? It's based in Australia. That's crazy. Hopefully it's not like that, Wolf Creek. I have a breakfast burrito and I'm getting ready for some laptop club. Yeah, laptop club. We do this every time. We leave the door open. Sorted. Stopped off for a little break, a little toilet break. I don't know where we are, guys, but this is beautiful around here. Oh, is everyone in? So I think we're making good time. Just stopped for another fuel top up. Little gig's still driving. How's it going? You enjoying the drive? Everyone's been sleeping, just woken up. How you doing, JC?
Okay.
How you doing, man? We're like an hour south of Portland. So Anthony recently had a skating accident where he cut his hand open, so he's been dressing it every day. You need to be careful skating, man.
Yes. One man first. Down the nurse. There's a doctor. You're a dentist.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's really awesome.
Yeah.
So I think a bunch of people have been waiting here like since 10 AM and it's now like 3 or something. We're quite bad on the timing. But this is an epic location. Anthony, tell us what's going on.
Well, I tweeted out that we're starving, so I'm leaving food, and someone bought pizza.
No way. Amazing. Who bought the pizza? Who bought the pizza? Legend. Thank you so much. Guys, this is Ariana. She has a YouTube channel. This is her YouTube channel name here. You should go and check it out. I'm gonna go check it out when I get back to the bus. But yeah, supporting smaller YouTubers. Go for it. Woo! Kaya has kindly given me this little bracelet. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
These girls are attacking everyone.
Oh, sorry, I was trying to hit these over. What the light, the next mistake, that's the game I wanna play.
So excited, these girls brought us more pizza. Thank you. Oh, this is exactly what we need. Oh, wow. Are you loving the pizza, boys?
I love it. I haven't eaten in like 18 hours. Louis found a new love on the trip.
Ready? I'm gonna let it go. Guys, don't worry, I didn't hurt the seagull. He was just a little bit angry at me, but he's chilled now. He's like flying around with his friends and stuff. It is finally my time to drive, guys. I'm gonna hopefully drive us all the way to Seattle. Bye! Look at these girls, they've kissed our wing mirror here with lipstick. That's a little reminder. Before we head off, we are gonna get one last photo with us sitting on top of the RV with that in the background, so we just need to get the right angle. What a view. What a view. Boy, we need to be careful of this electrical cable, bro. I think it could kill you. Maybe, I don't know, like that. I'm pretty sure that's electric. No one can touch that. I think that's gonna kill us. Yeah, it's scary, isn't it?
So close to it.
I know. Just, guys, be careful of this cable.
So we're saying goodbye.
Woo! Goodbye,
Goodbye.
Beach.
Goodbye.
Honestly, there's so many people that came. You guys set the standards. This is our first stop, and it was absolutely amazing.
It was amazing!
Photo's done. We are actually getting on the road now. Guys, we just got stopped by the police. Check this out. And he's stopping traffic to let us out, so I better drive.
Catch me if you can. You can.
Oh, 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 oh!
We've stopped off to see if we can get a few photos in golden hour before the sun completely sets. It's pretty late guys, it's like 8:30, the sunset's quite late here, which I'm happy about. I like the sun setting late.
Who will save Gotham from Meat Mask?
Catch me if you can. You can. Catch me if you can. You can. Catch me if you can. You can. Catch me if you can.
Guys, we made it all the way to Seattle. It was like 4 hours drive. It was fun. It was a nice little drive. And we've now come to this place called Dick's Drive-Thru. And it's very popular, check that out. A few of you recommended we should stop here, so we have.
Look at the prices. That's why it's so popular.
Look, Louis, you're being videotaped for your safety. Or maybe you're videotaping.
What, the burgers are $2.90? JC's just had a great plan. We should eat on top of the camper van. Yo, JJ.
This is your signature.
So I don't think we have enough cameras.
Louis, I love your hair.
Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, we got enough, okay. Alright, JC's gonna jam with this guy. What was your name again?
Eric.
Eric.
The Finn.
Eric's gonna do a little tune with JC.
The one-armed drummer.
I don't know anything.
I don't know anything. I don't know anything.
This has turned into a little party on the street. This is cool. I like this. Yeah.
I lost my money playing poker, so I had something to do, but I ain't a turkey man. And that old life no more. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, you know I will rock me. What do you guys call them again? 7 days on the road. 7 days in a row. I'll call you when I want to call you. Who's writing the song here? Who's writing the song here? Anyway, 7 days in a row, I'll call you when I want to. 7 days on the road, you're rolling up to Seattle and Vancouver and awful places like Salt Lake City. I don't know why you're going there. 7 days on the road, oh man.
Well, it's 1:30 in the morning and I've clambered up into the top bunk in the RV. We're still parked outside this burger joint and there's still tons of people outside. But I can't push through my jet lag anymore. I am very tired. These boys have all gone out to party and I'm going to sleep. So I will catch you tomorrow. Hopefully I'm going to wake up in Vancouver. That's the plan. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.